Numerous frog species in Australia and around the world are increasingly in decline, and many have become extinct. Whole populations of frog species have disappeared, and in some countries, over half of their frogs have vanished forever. By bringing awareness to the amphibian decline phenomenon, this presentation aims to foster a better understanding of Earth's delicate interconnected ecosystems and determine the primary threat to frog populations. Research was conducted with access to the resources available through the Internet, access to online academic databases and medical and scientific journals. Advanced searches in Curtin University Library and Google Scholar were conducted using refined keywords and search parameters that would yield current data. Efforts were made to ensure the information is non-emotive and unbiased by seeking out credible peer-reviewed articles and information. Most children like frogs, and this presentation informs Year 6 students for Science Understanding in Biological Sciences who have to learn how living things are affected by changes in their environment, and that if frogs disappear, Earth's rich biodiversity would be damaged because frogs are a crucial element of the food chain. The frogs shown here are a small selection of incredible variation in colour, shape and capabilities. All of the frogs you will see here are listed as vulnerable, endangered, critically endangered or extinct. Frogs have directly contributed to the health and well-being of humans. Through the study of secretions from the glands on frog skin, science has discovered many potent medicinal compounds that have enhanced human health and medicine. The cells of a frog's egg have even been used in robotics to create a device with a super sense of smell. The Union for Conservation of Nature, the Global Amphibian Assessment, and the Australian Department of Environment and Heritage all categorise habitat loss as the primary cause of amphibian decline. Habitat destruction primarily results from human activity. Land reclamation by drainage, insecticide and herbicide use, introduced species, increased salinity from land clearance, and siltation from forestry operations. Damming of rivers divert water flows, affecting species like the southern bell frog that normally breed during seasonal flooding. Regulated flow management may result in the release of deeper, colder reservoir waters, altering temperatures downstream. Wood particles from logging and deforestation operations and agricultural herbicides can increase pH levels. And the levelling of land for agricultural uses or urbanisation destroys breeding sites. Another major threat to frogs is the amphibian disease chytridiomycosis, or chytrid. Frog skin is physiologically active, exchanging gases, nutrients, water and electrolytes. Chytrid disrupts this function, resulting in electrolytic depletion and osmotic imbalance. It is implicated in nearly all recent extinctions and threatens most frogs. The southern corroboree frog has been severely impacted by the spread of chytrid and is listed as critically endangered. Here are a few relatively recent extinct species. The gastric brooding frog, Rab's fringe-limbed tree frog, and the golden toad. All of these were once unique in the animal kingdom, and now the possible medicines that they might have yielded are lost to science. In conclusion, although other more complex causal agents are interconnected, the key threats to frogs are habitat loss caused by human activities and chytrid fungus. You can help threaten frogs by not removing frogs or tadpoles from the wild, not disturbing rocks and logs that could be habitat for frogs, and not touching frogs, because this can pass on the deadly chytrid fungus. Be aware that the Save the Frogs Day is April the 29th, 2017. Build a pond for your neighbourhood frogs and learn to be a wildlife advocate for amphibians. Thank you for listening.